Space, the final frontier. This is the 2.5-year journey of the build of the Starship Enterprise. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 112 of Building the Enterprise-D. This is the quick build episode of this pack, so we'll get that done very quickly and then I shall have a look through the magazine, look through the episodes and things. We've got a couple of parts for the nacelle which we're not actually doing anything with as yet, so they will be put aside. I'll put them the right way around. I think they go together a bit like that. Just like that, in fact. There we go. That's that for next time. We've got some windows to fit and then brackets to put behind them. So yeah, as ever, this is the big panel for the middle of the saucer section. So we've got some windows to fit onto that. I'll do these all behind the scenes, but basically it's going to be two clear and an opaque on each side of that, and some across there as well in a pattern which I'm going to make up. I'm going to not use the standard pattern for that. So I'll get those on there. We'll get the brackets in place, hold them together. Then I'll show you what it looks like, and then we'll have a look at the magazine. So there we go. That's that. All the 3 window panels fitted. Nothing else to do with that, or indeed anything else to do today, apart from have a look at the magazine. But while I've got the saucer section here, we might as well. It'd be rude not to. It just slots in over there. Oh, it does. And obviously the 3 bulbs line up. The 3 lights we've got already fitted into the frame. Not sure what the extension cable is going to do, but for now, the switch is going to come through obviously to here. But that goes in there a bit like that. We're almost there. We've got the captain's yacht to fit, and obviously the 2 side panels to go. But then that's it, and that's almost it. Yeah. Right. Let me clear all this out the way. We'll have a flick through the magazine, and then we'll get on with the build next time. So this is volume 29 of Building the Enterprise from the Next Generation. We have done half the building. 2 more issues to go over the next couple of days, but lots of things to read about in between times. So this is the first 2 parts that you've already seen and already done. 2 more parts. We've got interior of the cell, and it looks like we're getting the battery pack fitted as well as doing some more nacelle work. I like it when they break it up. As much as I like getting one part completed and done, it's nice to have, you know, a bit to do on this and a bit to do with the other. So you've already seen this yesterday. Nice getting that big panel on there. And today I did that bit. So tomorrow's video will be getting the other side of the nacelle together and the captain's yacht fitted along with the, is that another phaser array or sort of thing on there? Getting that together, and yes, indeed, mounting it onto the section, making sure we got the things on the correct sides. Good. I'm looking forward to that a lot. I'll do that very soon. Then the last one of this pack is getting the nacelle part end together, Broussard collector, I believe, and then getting the other bit of the thing. Oh, and then putting the outside frame on that side. Is that? Yeah, that's the side that's got the not got the battery cap packed on it. What that side that we got? Let's flick back a bit. Did we get? That one. Oh, it looks like it's got the battery hatch thing on it, but maybe it's not. Maybe that's different. Maybe they've got a picture wrong in one part or the other. Yeah, because I haven't got a bit that looks like that. So we'll see. It might be the other side that we're fitting, but either way, it won't be a problem. We do whatever we got to do. Looking at Rightful Heir, 623. It must be the last one, 23 of season 6. No, 24. Second chances. 25, 26 episodes in the episode start. They cut down a lot now on what they used to be, aren't they? There we go. Timescape. I vaguely remember that one. And Descent must be the last one. 1993. Hard to imagine it's 30 years ago, but not more than 30 years ago, but you know. Continuing mission. Yeah, the overview of season 7, 93, 94. Stuff, looking at all of that. And then we do indeed start on season 7 with episode 1, Descent Part 2. Because they always end on a cliffhanger, these seasons. And then working in season Liaisons, episode 2. And indeed Interface, episode 3. That was the Geordie one, wasn't it? Yeah, I remember that one. The probe. Yeah, good stuff, because there's only a couple more issues to go. So we've obviously got another, I assume there's 26 episodes in that season as well. I can't remember. No, it's about the same length. So we've got quite a few to go through in the next couple of issues. But that's this one done. Join me tomorrow for another build issue, and we'll see you for that very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.